travelers, everybody went back to the room to take a little nap, but I'm going to give you guys a tour of the galley right here. This is their grab and goes, quick service. This is like their big dining hall right here. So we're going to take a look at this, and I'm going to show you all the spots that you can find food on the galley. First thing I love is that they give you a map of the galley. We are right here. So we're going to come this way, and then we'll head down the middle here. We'll make sure we hit this section over here, and then we'll make our way over here. So let's begin our tour. And the first thing I love is, yes, you can bring your tumblers. I've mentioned this earlier in the videos, but they have refill stations, which is fantastic. So as you enter the galley, the first thing you'll come across is the grab and goes. That tres leches cake up there is absolutely heavenly. The sandwiches, the salads, the charcuterie boards, this is always kept fresh, which is fantastic. You can take it back to your room or out on deck. And then, like I said, the fresh fruit, and yet another area right there. And then you come around this way, and this is the grounds right here. Grounds Club. This is where you can get your coffees, and since we're members of the Blue Club, I get a free coffee, and Michelle gets a free coffee every morning. Any specialty coffees. But that is the views out there. And then let's head this way. And we'll go over here to the Daily Mix. Right over here. It is a make your own salad. Of course, they have drinks right over here. But what I love about it, sorry about the lighting, just look at the views. You can see the 3 ships up there. 3 cargo ships way off in the distance. And then we come back over here. Plenty of seating. Drinks right over there. Remember, juices, Coca-Cola, all that's included. All drinks are included except for libations. They're not included, but it's included. And we're going to come this way. Here are their daily specials right there. Then you come over this way, and that's some of their salads right there, pre-mades, or you can make your own right here, and they do a fantastic job. Since we're up here, one of the specialty dining options, which remember, there's no specialty restaurants, just another dining option. This is gumbae. It's a Korean barbecue that you can go into. We're going to go see if we can take a look inside, because we do not have reservations on this cruise for this restaurant. It is a Korean barbecue. Like I said, the chef comes out, prepares everything. But look at these views. Every table has a view. They have booths, or they have tables right here. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Good. Yeah, it is good afternoon. The benches do slide, so you can get very comfortable. They play a game that you play with sake. Everybody at the table plays. You don't have to play if you don't want to, but it comes along. But this is one of the restaurants we do not have a dining at. Maybe next cruise. So, but I mean, at night, I would definitely want to get early dining. Maybe if you want to see the views here. But this is gumbae. And just at the end of gumbae, right here, you see the deck outside? This is actually where me and Michelle did the sail away. Right over here. So that's where we sat and watched Miami disappear into the distance. Okay, let's head back into the galley and look at some of the more food options we have. Let's take a look at the sweet side. We'll start right over here. Of course, plenty of fruits, fresh fruits, very nice. And then of course, you know, my favorites are the desserts right here. Fresh fruits down there. We got a Carr panna cotta, peach cobbler, chocolate cherry, pistachio macaron, and paradise fruit tart. Over here they got the coconut macaron, Valiant Lady, that is theirs. The tropical cheesecake, the coconut provolone, chocolate ginger, and s'mores jar. And then we're coming to Well Bread right here. This is a bread counter. right here. We came down this afternoon. This raspberry donut is everyone's favorite. Michelle loved it, I loved it, Becca loved it. And then you've got everything is very savory. It's not super sweet. It's more like a European sweet, if that makes sense, but super savory. And then we got the sun-dried tomato flatbread and this flatbread right here, because I cannot pronounce that right there, but that looks fantastic. And then we have the burger bar right here. And there's all the stuff that you can get on your burgers, and they make different burgers. They got a specialty one today. I cannot wait to show you guys. So they grill them fresh back there. They're doing the buns right now to get ready, but this is the special of the day right here. The green pirate onion ring guacamole, and look at that. And that is the special of the day. Look at that burger right there, and there's the times. By the way, Becca says those fries are like baked potatoes. They're so light and fluffy inside. But then all the accoutrements that you can get with those. They have a flavored water option. They've got pineapple, green apple, lemon, and orange right there. Flavored water option here. And then we got Diner Dash here, which is like a diner. And it is open 24 hours a day. And they do omelets and other items all day long. But today, oh, that's ready to go for the omelets. There are their selections of omelets. The veggie, the western, the egg whites, the ham and cheese, the classic, all right there. And then they have the Dash Diner over here. They make you a plate. And there's your all-day breakfast menu right there. You can get this all day, 24 hours a day. And then they got the stuff, like I said, right here that they will serve different items all throughout the day. Made our way over to the other entry of the galley. Once again, another grab and go, another bottle refill, and another map to make it much more easier to find your stuff. So let's head this way. I will have to say they have a little, what we would like to call peanut, if they're ever into You and Me Hot Pot in Orlando. Pretty much the same thing, another station. Tap that cold, or tap that hot right here. This is one of my favorite bento baby right here. I could eat my fill in sushi. If you guys love sushi, this is the place for you, because they got every roll, a cucumber avocado roll, and they make them fresh. As you can see, they're making them back there in the back. All the rolls are fresh. Prawn tempura roll. I've eaten enough today. Let's see, this is a tofu teriyaki and bento baby combo. I've got to edit some video for day one, so you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and pick me up one of these prawn tempura rolls, and we'll find us a spot after we get done with our tour here. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Passing the Diner and Dash right there, we come over here to Pops and Bubs. This is, you can get libations and stuff, but they have popsicles right here, and they are absolutely fantastic. The mango is out of this world, and the chocolate banana, not too bad. Then we head down this way. Let's talk about it. Taco about it. And these are their tacos today, and they're like mini tacos, the mini versions. The fried avocado, that sounds different. Probably can't see that too well. Fried avocado tacos al pastor and pasada taco. But they make them fresh right back there. Another drink station, plenty of places to sit. Plenty of places to sit. And the one thing I love is bring your cords and plugs. Because the table, noodle around, my second favorite location. Bring your plugs, because they have European plugs, and on the other side they have regular plugs. And this is exactly what you would think it is. It is a noodle around. It is a ramen bar, which me and Michelle had this, and it is fantastic. I'll go ahead and give you the ramens of the day, and the tonkatsu ramen right there is absolutely wonderful. And they make it with the egg and everything right there. And last but not least, hot off the press, and that's exactly what it is. It is pressed sandwiches, and I'm gonna give you a show of the showcase because it looks fantastic today. We have not yet tried this, but I'm gonna show you hot off the press right here. Of course, the fruits down there at the bottom. The breads right here. This is a whole wheat avocado toast. This is a banana Nutella right there. We have a Greek grilled onion. This is, you got the Greek grilled cheese sandwich right here. And then the pinchos, the grilled vegetable saffron, and the Mediterranean pinchos right there. And these change daily also. If you just can't decide what you want, come over here, scan the QR code and put your little red flag up and somebody will come to your table to place your order. There goes Peanut there. They're clearing the tables and he carries everything away. But if your flag is up, you will have a server come to your table and you can order anything that I have showed you in this video from before, except the gumbo, of course. But anything can be ordered and brought to your table. Just put your flag up. I'm following the dishwasher. He's making way through the crowd here. We're gonna see where he's going to. Oh, we're gonna pass him. He went to the kitchen, heading this way. Hope you enjoyed our little tour of the galley. Their food options here are phenomenal. Yes, since I'm gonna be doing a little editing, I am gonna have a little prawn. I don't know how I can eat any more food, but a little prawn sushi roll right here, tempura, cannot wait. But I want to show you guys my view right here. Look at that. I'm sitting at the bar right by the window, and that is my view. Unbelievable. I love cruising. I tell you what, it's probably my favorite way to vacation so far, that all the vacations. Now we did just get our passports, so hopefully we can do some more vacation throughout the world, but who knows, you got to save up money for that. But I will tell you, there is something you must bring at all times with you when you are walking around the ship and just wanting to find a place to sit, relax, and enjoy yourself. Let me show you that one item you need. It is this right here. Make sure you bring your cord at least. I always bring a plug because sometimes you can only find a plug. But since you are so app-driven on the ship, you are going to need it. So make sure you have a cord and a plug in your pocket so you can charge anytime. There's usually USBs everywhere, but if you can't find a USB, at least you have a plug-in right there. So always be prepared.